Hey everybody, and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Yes indeed, we're going to have a giveaway on the channel. We're going to give away one of these two wonderful little handheld consoles, and they are like Game Boy Colors, effectively backlit. They've got lithium-ion rechargeable batteries inside of them. They come with 400 games each. This one's running Super Mario Brothers and this one's running Contra at the moment. Yeah, absolutely brilliant little things. Well worth getting stuck into the giveaway here on the channel. So we'll send one of these to you free of charge. All you've got to do is be a subscriber of the channel and put a comment in down below and make sure you like our videos. Alright, so thank you very much, and keep on watching. We're going to pull this apart now, show you how it works, what it's made of, and some of the games that are in there and that kind of stuff. And also we'll show you a video of the wonderful people in the marketplace that we bought it from. Can you video for me, is that okay? Cool. Hello people, welcome back to Dubious Engineering. I bumped into these two lovely people. They're selling some fantastic little games machines down here in the market in Amping. And so they very kindly offered two of these systems to the channel for 800 NT, which is fantastic news. So maybe we'll do a giveaway and we'll offer one of these systems up for the future. Okay. So the question in a lot of people's minds will be really, how good are these? And well, you know what? For 10 quid, which is about how much we paid for them in the marketplace, they're not bad. All right, they come with, you know, a little bit of instruction manual, a cable which allows you to connect it to the telly, which is sort of cool. So that's audio out there, and the composite output, and then they come with a little charging cable as well. So the unit itself then has a nice plastic protection screen on over the screen there. Well, you know what, I might as well just take that off, hadn't I? The buttons are quite pleasant and easy to use. The menu system isn't bad. There is a little standard sort of mobile phone type battery in there, the old Nokia BL55C type battery in there. Right, proof of the pudding in the eating. Okay, you get a menu, Chinese and English. Chinglish. So, oops, I selected Chinese, idiot. Press this button here, it resets. So go down to English, select English. You've got Super Mario, Mario 14, Mario 3, Dr. Mario, Turtles 1 and 4, Contra, yeah, Contra 7. There's stuff in here that I've not heard of, and some of them are obvious, blatant knockoffs. But in all fairness, they play quite well, and if you use these buttons here, you can skip through all of the, and you can see there are good 400 games in here. But first things first, let's go with a standard Super Mario Brothers and see what the playability is like. Let's just turn the volume up on this thing. Okay, player one game. Press the start button. Start, here we go, world one, come on, come on. It sounds, just turn that down a little, sounds a little fast to me. Either way, very, very playable for the money. For 10 quid, which is what I got these for in the marketplace. Very, very playable indeed. So a little recharge port on it, little headphone, sorry, that's the TV out port there. Is there a headphone jack on it? Ah, no, there isn't a headphone jack on it. So it's got TV out port, charge and then on and off switch. It doesn't have a headphone jack on it. So so you can't play it like on an airplane without disturbing people unless you have the volume right down. So that's one small disadvantage. But other than that, Not bad at all. Right, let's pop the bad boy open and see what's in it. Okay, so to save a little bit of time, I've popped most of the screws out. Just get this bad boy out. Come on, there we go. Let's pop the battery compartment off, get the battery out, and there we go. Boom. All right, so that's just a standard injection molded piece of plastic. Okay. We've got a board here, single-sided, which is quite interesting. That's obviously the battery connector there. All right, we've got one screw in the board. Pop that out. Same size as all the other screws. One little tiny speaker. Power switch up here. And let's just pop that out. Okay. So, oh, look at that. So the screen is plugged in. Alright, let's try not to make the screen too messy. And then there's a little microprocessor behind the screen, a reset button here, and then some little contact pads here for the rest of the stuff. So relatively simple little crystal here for the there's a right. So you've got a massive blob chip. So this will be the screen. This will be the display driver chip here, and then this big blob in the middle here. This will be the main CPU for driving everything. And so this is made by ICHUANG, iChuang. So yeah, good stuff, not bad, relatively simple, not a lot in there. No wonder it was only 10 squid. Okay, so in order to get this, I will be giving away the white one, not the one that I've taken apart here. I'll be giving away the white one, and all you got to do, as I say, is put a comment on this video, give this video the thumbs up, and obviously you have to be a subscriber. I will be checking that you're a subscriber, and then we'll do a little prize draw in a couple of weeks once we've got all of the comments in and everybody's watched it, and we will then be sending this to one of you lucky winners. So thanks ever so much for watching Dubious Engineering. As always, don't forget to subscribe, give us a good old thumbs up, stick a comment down below, and win yourself a Game Boy thing. Cheers!